Welcome back everyone. In this lecture we are going to discussing strings. Then the question arises, what is string? Strings are the sequence of characters using the syntax of either single quote or double quotes. Here we can see two examples. First of all, hello in single quote and another one is hello in double quote. Okay, so let's explore all the concept of string to jump over to the PyCharm. So my PyCharm is started. First of all, I am going to make a new Python file. So right click on Python tutorial and go to new and select Python file. Here I am gonna name it to strings in Python. And press enter. The new Python file is created. First of all, I am going to take a variable, named it var, that is equals to, this is the variable. As we previously know how to print var, so we have to type print and then var and then run the program, and we will get this is the variable. And if we want to check out the type of the var, type of var, and then run the program again, and we will get class str. That means the variable var contains string data type. If we want to check out the length of that string, then Python have an built-in function that is len. So simply we have to type print and then len and the name of the variable, that is var, and simply run the program and we will get 20. By the using of len function, we easily determine the length of any variable. Now it's important to note here is that strings are ordered sequences, and that means we can use indexing or slicing to grab subsection of the strings. And that's another important note in Python, that indexing starts at 0. So here variable var, that is equals to, this is the variable. In the case of indexing, we start counting from 0. So here t is at 0th position and 8 is at 1 and I is on second, s is on third, and so on. As I previously discussed, with the help of slicing we can grab the subsection of the string. So let's check out how to grab the subsection of the string. Simply we have to write print and then var, after that square bracket. I want this s in the console. Then simply we have to write 3. Why I am writing 3 here? Because s is on the 3rd position. And then run the program and we will get s. If I write 4 here and then run the program, I am getting blank. Here is not blank, here is one space, because in the 4th position we have a space. So for example, I want to grab this. So simply we have to write 0 and then colon and then 4 and then run the program and we will get this. Here one question is arises, we are not getting space. Why? Because here 4 is excluding. The program runs and it goes 0 to 3 only. So if we want to grab this each, so simply we have to write 7 and then run the program and we will get this each. If I want to escape one character, then we have to simply write colon and 2 and then run the program. Here we see one characters are skipped, just like T is coming and H is not, I is coming and S is not, and then space is coming, I is not and S is coming. And then I want to skip 2 characters, then we have to simply write 3 and run the program. And here we skip 2 characters. And with the help of slicing, we remove something and add something in the string. So let's check out. I want to change this to dat. Then simply we have to write print and then dat and plus, and here we use slicing. So var, and I am going to take from each to the variables. So simply count it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then if we do not write anything here, then by default it's take full length of the variable. and I'm going to run the program, and here is the output. That is the variable. So slicing is very powerful, and keep practicing. We will be meet in the next lecture. So like the video and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when new video is uploaded.